Today I'll be using the book Viv and Emma See Tracks from the Piney Pals decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on R blends. I'm going to be writing some words on the board. I want you to use your eyes and I want you to look very carefully and tell me what letter is the same in each one of these words. I'm going to start writing and you start looking. Okay? Here we go. C-R-A-B. G-R-A-S-S. F-R-O-G. What letter do you see that's alike in each one of these words? You're right. You see R. Now, what letter do you see that's in front of the R? A C, a G, and an F. And those are all consonants. So when you see R and a consonant right before it, when you read those words, you're going to smoothly say those two sounds together. Listen with your ears very carefully and see if you can hear me smoothly reading those sounds together. Here I go. Crab, grass, frog. Did you hear me say cur, gur, fur? Yes, I smoothly blended them together. You could still hear both of the sounds, but we read them smoothly. When we do that, we call that a blend. Today, we will focus our learning on R blends. I'm going to read the words and I want you to echo. And when you read these words, remember you're blending the CR, GR, and FR together. I will say the words, you will echo. Are you ready? Here we go. Crab, grass, frog. Nice job. I heard you saying cur, gur, fur. When you have a chance to read Viv and Emma See Tracks, you will see many R blends. And remember, when you see an R blend, you will smoothly read those two consonants together. You will be able to hear both sounds, but you will smoothly blend them. Thanks so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.